Imagination is the closest thing that we have to understanding how vast consciousness is and what that entails. Because, as far as we know, our imaginations are limitless, right? We can sit and we can imagine literally anything under the sun all day long. That is the closest thing that we really have to experiencing consciousness. And that isn't coincidental because our imagination is also how we create our reality, it's how we shift reality, it's how we shift our identity. And all of this really falls into line because our subconscious mind can't tell what is the differences between what's real or imagined. So imagined experiences are accepted as true with repetition and feeling just as much as real experiences within the 3D are. Um, and so, as Neville Goddard put it, he put it perfectly that imagination really is the only reality because that is where it all starts. That is where the 3D flows out from, really. When we start to imagine something new, then the 3D follows that, right? So our internal state, the imagination is kind of like the creative force, essentially, which is really cool to see how it not only lines up on a non-dual perspective, on a manifestation perspective, on a psychological perspective, because our perception creates what we see, but it all just trickles down from that. And that is one of the examples of how consciousness and spirituality align with science nowadays and how it trickles down into it and makes sense.